Welcome. I am from Givi and I'm proud to introduce you the novelties in our top case range. I will start from the B360. It is a monologue case, 36-liter capacity, so well capable of containing a full face or even a large modular helmet. The system has been inspired by the automotive technology that you can also see in the bottom shell and the water seal system. The bottom shell is very stiff and rigid, especially in the profile, which is the area that ensures, together with the profile of the top shell, the maximum resistance to water leaks. The seal is very large and wide, and it works in between these two walls in the upper shell. The top case is available in two versions, red reflectors and smoked gray reflectors. Optionals, painted cover in different colors, and backrests. Being a monologue, it is supplied with a universal plate and a kit within the top case itself. The second case I will show you today is the B34. Again, this is a monologue top case with a very peculiar and interesting shape. As you can see, it is very compact in its global dimensions, very aerodynamic, with a very peculiar nice-looking shape, carbon look finishing on the top, again available with red and silver smoked reflectors, and the same opening and closing system, with the same attention to a very high rigidity and stiffness of the bottom shell, and the same water seal system ensuring maximum capacity of watertight properties. Backrest and cover are available as well. Being a monologue, again, remember that you will get a universal plate inside and a fitting kit. I will also add that the B34 has a capacity of 34 liter, so well capable to contain a modular or flip-up helmet, even on a large side. This is instead a monokey case. V40, 40-liter capacity. The opening system is similar to the ones you've just seen, with the same technology, automotive technology, used for the bottom shell and the water seal. As you can see, we have a security lock system, increasing the resistance of the lock mechanism to outside attacks. A 40-liter capacity. Here you have much more than the capability of containing one single helmet. Carbon look finishing on the top, available with red or silver smoked reflectors. Backrest available, colors for the covers available too. It's a monokey, so here you will have to use the monokey plates to fit the case on your bike. Maximum load, so maximum loading capacity is 10 kilograms for the monokey. High resistance, very sturdy top case, ensuring maximum load capability. Okay, there is now one very important detail that we would like to mention regarding all our products, and it's about the material. The material we are using is first choice plastic, and very important, it is non-recycled plastic. Using first choice material injected for the first time ensures perfect mechanical qualities for the product itself, and it allows you to fully control the resistance to any stress, the response of the material to any stress, and especially its durability. Just about durability, one important detail of our products is the anti-UV treatment. All of our shells are treated anti-UV. This means that they are resistant to the aggression of UV rays that tend to deteriorate the outer surface, the appearance, and the quality aesthetically and mechanically of the material itself. This is common to all of our range. Okay, these are the novelties in terms of top cases, and I will now show you a novelty in terms of side cases, aluminum side cases. The new Tracker Dolomiti. The latest novelty in the Tracker range is the Dolomiti side case. Now, this is made in aluminum. Important to notice that the bottom shell is in just one part. The aluminum sheet composing the body of the case is a 1.5 millimeter thickness aluminum sheet embossed in the different areas. The rivets you see are in stainless steel, especially made and fitted to be water resistant. You have a locking system. We're using the security lock here. The opening is very easy to operate, and you can see the internal area. There are two inner bars to increase the resistance of the body, and the profile you see from the bottom shell, in the bottom shell and in the top shell, is made in a higher resistance plastic with the addition of fiberglass to increase strength. The same is for all the plastic details you see in the case. The case is supplied with a handle, very easy to carry the bag with you, and you have the possibility to fit elastic straps so that you can lay an additional bag on top of the case. Important to remember that the top shell can be easily removed and totally removed from the bottom shell for easier access to the bag. As you can see, it's also very easy to put it back into position. One very specially important detail is the fitting system. It's very important to notice that this case is compatible with all our PL and PLR system. Within the case, you will find this fitting kit. Just using this fitting kit on our PL and PLR system, and you will be allowed, using these two quarter round screws, just to hook on the plate once you've fitted it on the PL. This means this case is universal. As you can see, this side is completely flat. Flat is the inner area of the case for maximum capacity and maximum usage of the inner space. As you can see, the design is very compact, so you have the maximum capability compared to the outer dimension of the case. Well, this was the Tracker Dolomiti, latest novelty in our aluminum range. I hope you enjoyed it. I will now introduce you the novelties in terms of technical accessories. Let me start from the thermal flask. It is certified BPA free, and it can be mounted on our Tracker Outback and Tracker Dolomiti using the support E162, which is supplied with all the kits and the small components that you need to fit it on the case itself. And now the S902A. This is a support designed and intended to be used on all the enduro bikes that have a crossbar in the dashboard area. It's made in one single milled aluminium part together with stainless steel screws. It can hold the family of GPS holders and sat-nav holders of the Givi range using the tank lock patented system. And now we have an example of one of our new ranges. It's an RP, so it's a radiator protector. As you can see, this model is an example. We have at the moment 8 bike models that we equip. We're constantly enlarging the range. This protector is made in stainless steel, painted black. And of course, it can easily avoid unpleasant damages to your radiator while riding. And here we have a new plate, the M8. It's available in 2 versions. The M8A, the one you see here, anodized aluminium, and the M8B, painted black. As you can see, it's a monokey plate, and it can be used on all our FZ monoracks support instead of the M5 or M7. Aesthetically, it's the perfect technical choice, but functionally too. You can appreciate the manufacturing in just by touching the edges. You will see how smooth they are and appreciate the feeling. All right, the S150. This is a very special novelty. It is a top shell rack. Up to now, we've been having specific racks for each one of our top cases, but this one is a universal rack. So it can be used on the majority of the top shells of the existing top cases, thanks to adjustable supports. As you can see, they're pivoting. Therefore, this item can be adapted to the shape of various top shells. This accessory is made in a very high resistance nylon with the addition of fiberglass for added strength. As you can clearly see, you have the possibility to use and fit elastic hooks or the elastic strap or the adjustable strap, for instance, our S351, the tracker strap, to be able to fit any upper bag on the rack. And now it's time for a new shield for the specifically intended for the special and cafe racer market. It's called 100AL. Here we see the version 100ALB because it's black, but it's not painted black. It's anodized aluminium black. And you can see the non-black version. So this is the classic anodized aluminium finishing. They both have to be combined with specific fitting kits to adapt them to the different models of bike. As you can see, they have a very specific, peculiar design. Always for the same kind of, same style of motorcycles, we have an alternative. We have the A800N. As you can see, it's a fairing windshield. It's totally handmade in fiberglass, jet black fiberglass. So what you see is not painted. And in combination with a smoked shield and plexiglass. It can be combined with bikes as the BMW 90 or the Bonneville or the Guzzi V7 or V9. It requires a specific fitting kit to be mounted on the different bikes. I will introduce you now the latest addition to our Tracker Outback range, the OBK 110. Capacity 110 liters, specifically intended for ATVs. The characteristics and the technical features are exactly the same as the current Outback range. Therefore, very strong, robust construction, 1.5 millimeter thickness for the aluminum sheets, and fully riveted in all the areas. The case can be fitted easily on the existing rack of the ATV, and a specific but universal fitting kit can be purchased separately. The case is using the angular reinforcements as the current Outback cases, made in high resistance plastic with the addition of fiberglass to make it even harder. We have two locks, easy to be operated, ensuring maximum rigidity to the closing of the top shell, that can be easily opened to give full access. Within the case, you will find an inner pad in polyurethane just to keep the load in the right position and to avoid noise from the load moving within the case. The top shell can be easily removed with the same system as we are using on the Outbacks. Both locks have, as a standard, the security locking system. I will also take the opportunity to introduce a new detail for our Outback cases, and it's an inner elastic web, especially needed in case of small little items, little details that we are carrying together with us, not in the main compartment of the bag, but just carrying it easy, accessible area on the upper part of the case. So this was the new addition to the Outback range. Givi this year enters a totally new sector, which is the technical clothing sector. And we are starting here with two different models of rain suits, the Rider Tech and the Comfort. The one I'm showing you here in blue is the first of the two colors of the Rider Tech, and it's the blue one. You can see the jacket and the trousers. The material used for the Rider Tech is polyester. We have a 3,000 millimeter water column for water resistant. The zip is protected by a gasket with a Velcro system. The inner mesh is ensuring the maximum possible comfort under heavy use. For a perfect fitting, we have different possibilities of adjustment at the wrists, on the arms, on the back, at the end of the jacket, as well as at the end of the trousers. On the back, we have the air extractors to help transpiration. The Rider Tech is available in blue and in black. Sizes available are from S to triple XL. And now we can see the Comfort line. Different material for the Comfort. We are using nylon here for a water column of 8,000 millimeters. The system is the same in terms of adjustments as we have seen on the Rider Tech jacket. High visibility yellow for additional safety. We also have the rear extractor, and of course we have high visibility reflective inserts. On the Rider Tech we have them on the jacket. On the Comfort line we have it on the jacket and on the trousers. Sizes available from S to triple XL, and both models can be easily stored into This very small bag, very easy to handle. Of course, it can be stored anywhere in any top case, but especially in any kind of underseat compartment. I will now introduce you the novelties of the 2016 Givi range for helmets. The first one we have, smallest one, is the Junior 3. This is the follower of our popular Junior 2. It's a helmet designed for children. So we only have 3 sizes here, 50, 52 and 54, and 3 colors available, red, white and fluo yellow. Among the novelties, a new visor, but especially a new inner liner, very nice in color and very comfortable. The second novelty is the 12.3 Stratos, a jet helmet with a long visor intended to be very comfortable and protective. Sun visor, very attractive and practical system, so you can just operate it here and then you have a quick return of the sun visor. Removable and washable inner lining, 5 colors, sizes from XS to XXL. The next one is the 20.7 Ulster. As you can see, this classic design is intended for bikes which are vintage bikes. This helmet is in fiberglass, so it is very light and very comfortable, in spite of being a very simple helmet. It comes with a peak as a standard, but it can be equipped with an optional bubble visor, the classic style bubble visor. The double visor can be ordered as transparent, smoked, yellow and mirror. Being in fiberglass, this helmet comes with a double shell. Sizes are from XS to XXL, and the helmet is available in 6 different colors and graphics. The next one is our new modular helmet, X16 Voyager. This new modular helmet comes with a sun visor, very easy to be operated, as you can see, just by a simple movement. The material used is polycarbonate. It comes in 5 different colors and sizes from XS to XXL. One of the main features of this product is the very satisfactory level of comfort coming from a very smooth inner lining, of course washable and removable, and a very nice fitting. The X16 comes with the visor which is pin lock ready. And now we have the X21 Challenger. The X21 Challenger will be available soon. So what we have here is a preview. It's a modular helmet with a very easy to operate front control for the front and the visor, inner visor, and double homologation. Very comfortable inner lining, very smooth, and of course washable and removable. The X21 Challenger is available in sizes from XS to XXL and in 4 different colors. So we've just seen the novelties of the helmet Givi range for 2016. I hope you have enjoyed the novelties of the 2016 Givi range. For any additional information and to get deeper into the technical details of the products I've shown, please just visit our website www.givi.it. Thanks for watching and explore, enjoy.